Namaste friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ideas for Cooking. I wish you all good health, happiness and success in your life. So guys, I came up with new way of cooking with zero waste cookbooks. These cookbooks are interesting and innovative. These cookbooks helps to learn how can we make delicious and healthy recipes with leftovers and scraps. It also helps to learn how can we make our kitchen sustainable. Interesting part is that you can learn how can we use scraps, rinds, peels in a nourishing way in your food, and it also express you are conscious about health and environment. It could be a good option for those who loves healthy and zero waste cooking. The price range starts from 700 rupees till 3000 rupees. If you want to purchase these zero waste cookbooks, I have suggested few links in the description box. So, see you all on my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your environment. Bye bye.